Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download your favorite series or movies on Netflix. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Netflix app. After the home page of the Netflix app opens up on your screen, select a movie or series that you want to be downloaded. For example, let's say I want to download an episode from Friends on my phone. All I'll have to do is click on this Friends option. Now I can choose to download all the episodes by just simply clicking on this download button, or I can manually select the episodes which I want to download. To manually select the episodes, I'll have to click on the Friends option again. After I click on the Friends option, I'll be guided to another page. Now let's say I want to download this The One After Vegas episode. All I'll have to do is click on this download option, which will instantly start the download. After the episode is completely downloaded, it will be located on the downloads menu, which can be accessed by clicking on the downloads option on the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can see on my screen, the Friends episode has been downloaded and it can be viewed without internet connection from wherever and whenever. I hope this video helped you to download your favorite movies and series on your phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.